So what is actually Crossover? Scam or legit? Let me break it down for you. Crossover is a remote work platform that connects professionals with full-time, high-paying tech and business jobs at global companies. It's aimed at experienced developers, engineers, and managers who want remote work with performance-based pay. How it works: you create a profile, complete skill assessments, and if you pass, you can get matched with roles from partner companies. The platform emphasizes results over hours, meaning your work is closely measured and promotions are based on performance. The pros: it gives access to high-paying remote jobs, supports international applicants, and has a structured hiring and evaluation system. Many successful applicants say it can be a career accelerator, which is actually nice if you're looking for serious remote work opportunities. The cons: the hiring process is very competitive, with tough assessments that many applicants fail. Work is highly performance-driven, which can be stressful. Some users also report limited job variety if you're outside of tech or management roles. Pricing: Crossover is free to apply. The platform earns from companies hiring through it, not from job seekers. It's ideal if you're an experienced professional seeking high-paying, results-focused remote work. If you're a beginner or want flexible, casual remote gigs, look elsewhere. Let me know what you think below and subscribe for more reviews.